And the big day's finally arrived. I hope it's going to be a good one for you, whatever you're doing. We've come to the end of tonight's programmes on BBC One Mo. Time for us to leave you for now. We're back tomorrow night, though. BBC Radio will keep you occupied until then. Mark Tonderais on 1 now, and Sue McGarry's on Radio 2. From tonight's team on BBC One, though, from me, Jane Constantinis, a very good night, and I hope you have a really wonderful start to Christmas Day. Good night.